Hello guys, welcome back to Login Helps. Today's tutorial is about how to log into your Skype account. Before jumping right in, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into your Skype account, go to Skype app and click it open. Now, there I already have an existing account, so click to use another account, type in your Skype ID, phone number or your email, click next. Now enter the password, make sure your password is correct every time you log in and click sign in. Now that is how it is done guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. You can give us your feedbacks so that we can be of more help to you guys. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.